Now we are going to add a triangle on top of this rectangle. So we are going to add a styles. So we go to add a styles folder and create a global styles. So we create globals.css, and then we go back to the app.js and we import the global styles and choose global.css. So now we can back to the global.css and add a CSS rules, and which is going to create a triangle on top of this. So if you do not know how to create a triangle, please refer to the tutorial on how to create triangle with CSS borders. So now we continue. We are going to add the shadows on both this triangle and also this rectangle. So we type .hard tip and also the .hard tip before, and then we use a filter to drop shadow, and then we use 0 pixels, and then we use the color of RGBA, and which is black but with alpha of 0.2, and then we save, and now you can see both of them has the shadow on it, but you can see we should block these shadows to appear. So we have to add the hard tip after, and we have to add a dot right before the hard tip, and then we paste this CSS rule and we paste the semicolon, and we delete this curly bracket and save it. And now if you zoom in, you cannot see the shadow now because we have the height of 30% and width of 40% to cover the shadows. So if you change this to another color, you can see actually we are going to use another shape to cover the shadows, and we have to use the position absolute to take it out from the normal flow, and we have the top 0, and also these two lines, if you're familiar, this is going to center it to its parent, and we have to add content empty space to make this cover. So this is how to create these two shapes, and in the next part we are going to add the animation so it will automatically disappear after a few seconds.